నైన్ ప్రేక్షకులకి నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మనకి చూస్తున్నారు ఇంత అందమైన భామలు ఉన్నారు. సో మన టీటీఏ వారు కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్న కన్వెన్షన్లో డే 3 మనకి బ్యూటీ ప్యాజెంట్ ఫైనల్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. సో మనకి మిస్ కేటగిరీలో కాంపిటీషన్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఫైనల్స్కి వీళ్ళు రీచ్ అవుతున్నారు. హై, మే ఐ నో యువర్ నేమ్స్?
Divya.
Neelu Konkimala.
హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ అబౌట్ ద ప్యాజెంట్?
The pageant, it's a great opportunity for people like us to showcase our wonderful Indian attires and our Indian culture.
Beautiful, by the way. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling happy because I got the opportunity to showcase my traditions here and showcase the talents. So it's a great platform for like lot of people like us. So I'm so happy.
That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. So now we also have, so as a part of a chief guest, Mrs. USA Universe. Ma'am, please tell me about your experience, like being part of like this TTA convention, also beauty pageant, seeing amazing girls and men as well.
Yeah, I would say it's extremely empowering. Anytime you go for a pageant, that platform really provides you networking. That provides you the confidence. Whether you lose or win, you gain something, and that gain is really to become the better, the best version of yourself. And I feel like if one girl is getting empowered tonight, she's gonna go further empower other 10 girls, and that's the beauty of this pageantry. So huge congratulations to TTA for driving it.
What's one advice you would to give to all these girls over here?
Yeah, sometimes girls say, oh, I'm not ready for the pageant, or I'll do it next year, or next to next year, or I have this and that. Take the leap of faith and go for it. Trust me, you make it right in your life, any decision, whether it's pageant or non-pageant. So my advice will be take the leap of faith, go for it, and you have nothing to lose. That's it.
What's the one word or a quality that a pageant queen should have?
Yeah, they should have humility. Humility, like it's all about how you treat others. You can look the best way or the most glamorous, but how do you treat others? That humility is the most important quality a queen or in any human being should have.
That's awesome, and that shows in you, and which also explains why you're the Mrs. USA Universe. You look so pretty inside and out. Thank you so much. Manki chustunam kadandi. So we have like lot of like now here like the Mrs. category too. Like hi. So it's about to get up on the stage, right? So how do you feel about it? And you look gorgeous, by the way.
Thank you so much for you guys having here and encouraging the beauty pageant. So I'm so much excited to be here because this enlightens every woman who wants to showcase their talents and also their beauty with ritually grace. And we have lots of participants. I'm also excited equally to see all of their performances here.
Thank you so much. Good luck. And then again చూస్తున్నారు కదండి మనకి అంతమంది బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉమెన్ ఉన్నారు who's about to step onto the stage. So అందరూ and I lovely attires over here. So your name and how do you feel?
నా పేరు స్ఫూర్తి తాటిపల్లి. చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఉన్నందుకు. ఇంతమందిని ఇంతలా చూసి ఇన్స్పైర్ చేస్తున్నందుకు టీటీఏకి బిగ్ థ్యాంక్స్. ఇలాంటి అవకాశాలు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి రావు. మాకు దొరికినందుకు హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. Thank you.
You look great, by the way. Good luck. Good luck. Okay, and again we can see like the beautiful ladies over here. Hi, what's your name?
Deepika.
Deepika Garu. So what's the one thing you're looking forward for this pageant?
Just to build long-lasting relationships with my fellow participants, to build sisterhood relationships mainly.
Awesome. No, that's a great point. But TTA వాళ్ళు men కి కూడా pageants నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. So Mr. TTA ఎవరు అవుతారు? And so we have lots of handsome men over here. Hi, may your name?
Ravikant Paidisetti. Yeah.
Ravikant, how do you feel to be part of this pageant? Is this your first pageant?
Yeah, exactly. So basically, the one who organized all this one is like a Mayur. Like he motivated us last weekend, like 2 weeks before, and we won this Portland TTA. And after winning this, like we got motivated and want to become part of this, and we are seriously loving it and enjoying everything. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, good luck, and you guys made it to the finals. Hi, and your name?
My name is Sai Dikshit Katkam. So yeah, I just wanted to thank TTA for the wonderful opportunity that you guys gave me. This is the first time I've done fashion show ever. I'm actually married, I have a kid, but still, as he said, Portland Kashan, our Mayur Bandaru Garu, he motivated us, just said, go and enjoy your stage, just see what you can do. But we were enjoying it. Thank you again. Thank you to TTA for giving this opportunity to us.
Of course, and you would be an inspiration for your kid as well. Competing and participating, he's going to look up, he or she is going to look up to you.